CompTIA A Core 2 Complete Training Course. Exam Objective 1.1 Explain common operating system types and their purposes. End of life. Vendor lifecycle limitations can significantly impact your IT environment. In this section, we will focus on two key topics: end of life and update limitations. End of life, or EOL, occurs when a vendor stops supporting a product or service. Once a system reaches this point, it no longer receives updates, patches, or technical support. At that stage, you're essentially on your own. Running EOL software increases security risks because any newly discovered vulnerabilities will remain unpatched, leaving your system exposed to potential attacks. The risks associated with EOL are serious. Without security updates, bug fixes, or performance improvements, systems become less stable and more vulnerable over time. Attackers often target known weaknesses in outdated systems, making EOL software an easy entry point. In addition, hardware and newer applications may no longer function properly with an unsupported operating system, further limiting what you can do with the system. Compliance is another important concern. Many industries require organizations to use supported and up-to-date systems to protect sensitive data. Using EOL software can result in compliance violations, failed audits, and potential legal or financial penalties. Think of it like ignoring an expiration date. You might get away with it for a short time, but eventually, it will cause problems. One way organizations deal with EOL systems and compatibility issues is through virtualization. Virtualization allows you to run an older or unsupported operating system inside a virtual machine on a newer, supported system. This can be useful for maintaining access to legacy applications that won't run on modern operating systems. However, while virtualization can help isolate and contain risk, it does not eliminate the security concerns of running an unsupported OS. Proper precautions, such as limiting network access, are still necessary. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more great content.